Hello students, in this video we will discuss about solution of exercise 12.2 from the chapter Heron's formula. So today we will discuss about solution of question number 6 and 7. Okay. So first of all, question number 6, an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors. As you can see, here is 10 pieces. Consider here is 10 pieces. Okay, an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces. Okay, and the dimension of each triangular pieces are given. It is 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter, and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? If you look at the picture, you can see that among of these 10 triangular pieces, 5 pieces will form by one color and the rest of the 5 will be in different color. Okay, and the dimension of the triangle is also given as 20, 50 and 50 centimeter. So by Heron's formula, you can easily find the area of each triangular pieces. Consider A as 50, B also 50 and C is equal to 20. That means the half of the perimeter will be A plus B plus C by 2, that is 60 meter. Just put the value of A, B, C and S in the Heron's formula. Okay, so this is after subtraction, this will be the representation. Now just do the simplification. Look at here, 60 can be written as this 60, 1 minute, this 60 can be written as 3 into 2 into 10, right? 3 2s are 6, 6 10s are 60. 10 can be written as 10. Okay, this 10 can be written as 10. Now this 10, I will also leave this 10 as 10. Okay, and 40 can be written as 2 into 2 into 10, right? Now from this to 10, one 10 will be outside. From this pair of 10, one 10 will be outside. Okay, now from this to 2, 1 2 will be outside. Now as you can see, for these 3 and 2 there is no pair, so it will be under the root, and after multiplying it will be 6. That means if you multiply this 10, 10 and 2, it will become 200 root 6. Okay, in this way you have to simplify it and the result will be 200 root 6 centimeter square. Okay, not 20, 200 root 6 centimeter square. This is the area for each triangular piece. So the area of 10 triangular pieces will be 10 into 200 root 6, that is 2000 root 6 centimeter square. Hence the cloth required for each color. Among of these 10 triangular pieces, 5 is made by color number 1 and remaining 5 pieces will be formed by color number 2, made by color number 2. That means the color required for each each color is equal to exactly half of the total cloth, that is 2000 root 6 by 2 is equal to 1000 root 6. Or you can do it in this way, that since the area of each triangular pieces is equal to 200 root 6 and there is 5 pieces for 5 pieces of same color. Okay, since the area of each is 200 root 6 and since there is 5 pieces of same color, so the color required for that 5 pieces will be 5 into 200 root 6. The result will be also 1000 root 6. Okay, in this way you have to solve This question number 6. Now question number 7. A kite is in the shape of square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and side 6 centimeter each is to be made of 3 different shaded sets as shown in the figure. Okay, this figure. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? So let's check the figure. Okay, 1 minute. If I go through the previous slide, if you look at the figure, this one is shade number 1, part number 1. Okay, this one is shade number 2. Okay, and this one is part number 3. You have to find the area for each shade. That means you have to find the area of this first portion, for this second portion, and for this third portion. So let's check the solution. What is given? Given the diagonal is equal to 32 centimeter. This is a square, that means you can say that this is 32, this one is also 32. And an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. This one is 8 centimeter, this one is 6 centimeter. Okay, so as you can see here, this one is 6, this one is 8. So for the third part, since the dimension is given as 6, 6 and 8, you can easily put it in the Heron's formula and you can find the area of side number 3. Okay, now for the first part and second part, as you can see, and it is given that ABCD is a square. That means 4 sides are equal. OA is equal to, okay, this is a square, that means these sides are equal. You also know from the chapter quadrilateral that in square the diagonals are equal and they bisect each other at the angle 90 degree. That means these AC and BD are equal to each other. That means AC and BD, both of them is 32 and they bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay, so you can say that since they bisect each other, so AO is equal to OC is equal to OB is equal to OD. Okay, why? Because the diagonals will be equal. That means AC is equal to BD and they will bisect each other at 90 degree. That means you can say AO is equal to OC, then BO is equal to OD. Okay, now since they are same, AC is equal to BD, that's why AO is equal to BO is equal to OC is equal to OD. Okay, so these are equal and AOB will be 90 degree. Okay, now this whole is 32. AC is equal to 32, so half of this will be 16. Similarly, this one is also 16, BO is also 16, OC is also 16, OD is also 16. Okay, so AO is 16 and rest of them is also 16. Okay, now if you take this ABD triangle, okay, this AO is equal to 16 and BD is given as 32, right? And you know the height. So the area of ABD triangle, will be half into base into height. Half into base means BD into height, that means AO. Okay, so put the value, base is equal to 32, height is equal to 16. If you do the calculation, it will be 256 centimeter. So the area of this first section is 256 centimeter. By the similar argument, you can say the area of BCD is also 256 centimeter, because their dimension are same, right? The dimension for this triangle and this triangle are same. BD is common, this is 16, this is also 16. Okay, so that's why the area for part number 1 and part number 2 will be same as 256 centimeter square. Now you have to find the area of this third section. As I told you, the dimensions are given as 6, 6 and 8. Consider the sides as A is equal to 6, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 8. Compute the half of the perimeter, it will be 10. By Heron's formula, the area of the triangle will be root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Just put the values to the calculation, simplify it. You will get the value as 17.2 centimeter square. Okay, that means for the 3 shaded paper, for the first shade you need 256 centimeter square area. Okay, for second piece or for second shade you need paper of area, you need the paper of area 256 centimeter square, and for the third part you also you need the paper of area 17.92 centimeter square. In this way you have to solve this question. This is all for today. Thank you.